By viewers' demand, I'm going to make this video tutorial. Okay, hello mga ka-OER. Once again, today I'm going to show you on how to make a Netflix-like intro for your video tutorial. Napakarami pong nag-message sa akin kung paano daw ginawa. So, eto, sabayan ninyo ako. By the way, shout out to Ling, Tina, and those CSS students who passed the assessment in TESDA. Okay, congratulations to you. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell in order for you to be notified. How to make Netflix-like intro for your video by viewers' demand. Okay, first thing is click Chrome. Okay, and then the search box, type panzoid.com. Panzoid.com. Okay, this is the official website. And then click this menu button. And then click creations. After clicking creations, okay, you can see different template, but we are looking for Netflix intro. Okay, there are lots of templates that you can choose from. Then click this lens, type Netflix, then enter, so that we can find it immediately. And then click this Netflix intro. Then after that, click open in Clip Maker. So when you are in Clip Maker, click that icon or play button to see the preview of that intro. Okay, para makita natin yung preview. There it goes. Okay. Stop. Click this text Netflix. You can rename it as with the name of your YouTube channel or whatsoever. So just rename it the name that you want. In this example, I will write Laugh Trip. Laugh Trip because that's a title of one of my playlists on my YouTube. Okay, it's done. Okay, you see there are lots of letters. Says Netflix. All of these letters should be replaced with the letter of the name of your choice. For example, Laugh Trip, so I should change the first letter like L, then followed by A, U, G, H, then space, and TRIP, something like that. Okay, so as what I've said, whatever the word or words that you choose or the name that you choose, then you have to change it letter by letter. Okay, so watch as I change each letter to Laugh Trip words. Laugh Trip because, as I said, that is a name of the playlist. So one of the playlists, my YouTube channel. All you have to do is to click the letter and then backspace to delete and then type a letter. U G
and then GH, and then space. If you have a space, how to make a space? All you have to do is just to delete the letter. And then T, I will make this X. Change X to T. Okay, by the way, if you want to add an object, press that positive sign and then add object. If ever you want to add a letter. In this example, I added another letter. So all you have to do is just to drag it up. Okay, if you added a letter, then you have to drag it up. Here, we'll click this. I'm gonna make it, change it to or. So I need 2 letters, so I have to click add object twice. Okay, the letter R, 2 R's, so I'm going to make it like I and P to form words, or to form words like laugh trip. Watch as I drag it up to change the position or to reposition the letter. Okay, I get love space T. Okay, the other R. Okay, change it to I. And then P. Okay, so left trip. Let's see. Okay, that works. But there's something that I have to change. Okay, stop. Have you seen this group? The word group and then Netflix, so I have to change it to laugh trip so that it won't appear when I play it. Okay, all you have to do is to click and then type the name that you want, or a name of your YouTube channel perhaps. Okay, so it changes to laugh trip, and then let's see. Okay, click the button, play button. Okay, so that works. Laugh trip. See? Okay, laugh trip. And now we have to download. How to download? Okay, drag it down. If you see in this icon, click that. Of course, you have to allow to start the download. Okay, time left 1 minute. But mine, I added laugh trip ni Sir OER. Sir OER will be part 2 perhaps. I'm gonna make another one of part 2. Okay, downloading. Okay, video.mkba open. Let's see. I have to click play. Wow, congratulations, it works.
Thank you for watching.